Feature. Hello everyone, this video is a feature of our quality system. First, every user need to log into the system to interact with the system. Start dashboard has various info boxes highlighting information on current closure period, analytics or their own contribution and ideas from other users. And every user can view their profile. For every user, they can edit their profile, upload profile picture, manage session to see if they are logged in on two different browsers at the same time, and reset password for security. In this announcement tab, staff can read announcements made from their department QA coordinator. In this tab, all ideas made by people across the university can be viewed and interact live voting if they like the idea or downvote if otherwise. Staff can also comment under the post, but users can only upvote or downvote each for a post. And if any idea is found inappropriate, staff can report it so a QA manager can take a look. Idea can be searched with keyword and sort by category, department, and other status of the closure period. Staff can also contribute their own idea by filling the details and add new idea. Staff can also upload documents that support their idea. The idea can be posted as anonymous or not. But everyone needs to read the terms and conditions and agree before submitting their own ideas. When a user submits an idea, an email notification will be sent to QA coordinator or their department. This my idea that show their own profile the user. User will get email notification if someone else comment on their post. Now we will see the QA coordinator. Coordinator dashboard show the analytics from their own department. Just like other users, QA coordinator can also edit their details, sessions, and reset password. In this announcement, the coordinator then create announcement telling user to contribute by submitting ideas. User can also edit their own announcement if there have been any mistake, or delete the announcement. In all idea that just like every user, QA can see the idea from across the university and search and filter the ideas by category, department, and keywords. In my department tab, QA will see the idea made by staff or their staff from their departments. In my staff tab, QA can see the staff from their department, their status of the activity. QA can also search them by name. This is the feature of the QA coordinator. For QA manager, just like every user, QA manager can also edit their profile details, upload picture, manage sessions, and reset password. In QA manager dashboard, all informations, all departments are shown here. This includes They include total user idea by department, idea percentage by This includes the analysis of idea across the department and the users and the natures of the ideas. These can be solved filtered by department and their nature of the closure period. In user tab, Geometrica can see the list of user across the departments. They can see the status of every user and search them by name, keywords, and filter by roles and departments. Geometrica can also disable user and delete. When deleting account, post and comment made by the deleted user will be shown as the deleted users. In all ideas, just like every user, Geometrica can see the list of all ideas from across the system, and they can be searched. They can search with keyword, filter by category, departments, or status. In announcement, Geometrica can see the announcement made by all GUI coordinator. They can hide the announcement made by Geometrica or show the deleted announcement back. In closure period, the Geometrica can see the list of the closure period and choose to extend the currently active closure period. And Geometrica can also add new closure period. Geometrica can also export ideas and documents from specific closure period. The exported ideas and document will be exported in zip file. The idea will be in the CSV exec file and the document will be in the folder. In category tab, Geometrica can see the list of the category, and Geometrica can also add new categories. Geometrica can edit currently existing category and also delete unused categories. If any post is reported by user, Geometrica will get an in-web push notification. Clicking on the notification will redirect the Geometrica to the post, and Geometrica can read the post and judge. Then Geometrica can go to the report tab and change the status of the report accordingly. For admin, just like every user, admin can also edit their profile details, his manage session, and reset password. In admin dashboard, admin get analysis of activity from user across the system. Admin get the total user, their session, the most popular pages, and the what browser they are using. These analytic data can be solved by less 30 days, 7 days, and other time frame. In all user get, admin can see the list of all users from system, and they can be searched by keywords, filtered by roles and departments. Admin can also add new user by filling the details and setting a temporary password. If a user requests a forgot password, admin get a notification and can reset password for the requested user. Just like Geometrica, admin can also disable user account and enable them and delete users. In category tab, admin can see the list of category and same with GUI manager, he can also add new category, edit category and delete category. In closure period tab, admin can also add new category, extend the currently existing category and export data from the specific closure period. In all idea tab, just like every user, admin can see the list of all ideas from across the system and search them, sort them and interact with them. In announcement tab, admin can read the announcement made by GUI coordinator across the system. In activity tab, admin can see the log of activity from user and search by their username, page or browser and sort by event types. And in report tab, admin can see the report from the user and judge accordingly. Thank you for your time.